Are you guys ready for a ride tonight? Okay, bati muna tayo sa ating mga friends from the press who are here. Jay, we start with you, please.
Hi, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa aming media press conference. At yun lang po.
Jay, you
Thank you.
have a lot of explaining to do later.
Yes.
Tungkol sa kwentong The Loyalty Game.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jay. Kira, please greet everybody.
Yes po, hello. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po for joining us here tonight. We're looking forward to answering all of your questions.
Wow.
And ayun po, let's all have fun tonight. Thank
I
you.
love a girl that's game. Micah, please greet everybody.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you guys so much for your time, to our media partners and everyone that's making this a possibility. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you, Micah. Elise.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Nice to see familiar faces and new faces. Thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you.
Sana mag-enjoy lang tayo sa mga questions natin.
Ready ka ba?
Ready!
Parang nag-doubt ka doon ng 1 second. Thank you, Elise. Of course, Charlie!
Hello, good evening po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito tonight. And yan, mag-enjoy po tayong lahat.
And she's back, Yen Santos!
Hello, everyone. Magandang gabi po. It's so great to see all of you again. Maraming salamat sa time nyo, sa pagsama sa amin tonight. And I am personally happy to be back and see everyone again.
Thank you, Yen. Sophia!
Kakasabi ko lang, I'm nervous. I'm really excited to be here. I'm really looking forward for this moment. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umattend ngayong gabi. And we can't wait for you guys to see what we worked hard for. Yeah.
Let's start with that. Why are you nervous?
Kasi this is so new to me. The role is very challenging. So I'm just really excited and a bit nervous.
Okay, we'll break it down mamaya. Nagbabalik ka pamilya, Miss Carmina Villaruel.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you so much for being here. It's so nice to be back, mga kapamilya.
Thank you, Mina. And of course, Janine and Jericho. We begin with you, Janine.
Yes, magandang gabi po. Thank you so much for being here. Sobrang excited po kami na makasama kayo. And sa lahat po ng nanonood sa bahay, thank you so much dahil nanonood kami sa labas ng trailer habang pinapalabas. So, we're so excited na finally ma-share sa lahat yung trailer ng The Loyalty Game. And shout out Direk May. Hi, Direk May. And Direk Ian and Direk Raymond.
Jericho.
So nice to be here sa Las Casas. Really serves the vibe of the entire show. MJ, thank you for the introduction. I'm really proud to be the other half of the power couple.
Diba? Actually, I was about to say power acting or acting power couple.
I'm just kidding. Love you, MJ. Nice to see you guys again here and saying hi to our producers, our managers, and everyone who made this possible. We're so excited tonight to chat with you guys.
Before we begin the Q&A, nabanggit na ni Janine, si Direk May, we have a special message, a video message. Since she can't be here, panoorin natin to ang mensahe mula kay Direk May Cruz Alviar.
Hello everyone! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa press, sa media, maraming salamat sa paglaan ninyo ng oras sa pagpunta ngayong gabi para suportahan ang aming programang The Loyalty Game, which will air on Amazon Prime very soon. The Loyalty Game is not what you think it is, and that's what got me. And I am so excited also. I was so excited when they told me kung sino ang casting din ito. Parang, it's a new combination of actors. It really is a powerhouse cast. So, I hope that abangan po ninyo ito sa July 3. It's going to drop on Amazon Prime. And like to thank, of course, Amazon Prime for this new collaboration, for collaborating, for this partnership with ABS-CBN and Star Creatives. I'd like to thank Des de Guzman for offering this to me, and I'd like to thank everyone who's part of this. Aside of course sa ating magagaling na artista, sa ating brilliant writers, ang ating producers who work tirelessly, ang aking team, and everyone, my co-directors, Direk Ian, Direk Raymond, and soon si Direk Kathy. I hope that you support our show, The Loyalty Game, dropping very, very soon on Amazon Prime. Thank you again, and God bless you all.
Thank you, Direk May. Again, it's July 3 on Prime Video. Alright. Okay. First question, requirement ba kailangan maganda yung nasa cast? Kailangan ba face card? Sino pwede sumagot?
Jay.
Kasi parang ang gaganda lang at walang
Of course.
Ay.
We have to find the most, apart from beautiful, they are very talented. And it's actually, beauty is like the second of what you will be remembering of these women after the show. Na parang, OMG, they are acting to the highest. Like, I mean, it's like, it's not, the demand is not just to be beautiful, but to be talented and to be great in their craft.
Actually, I was about to say, yung kailangan sumabay sa aktingan.
Yes. Oh.
Hindi ka pwedeng mahuli. 'Di ba? Nakita nyo ba yung sarili nyo dito? Nakita nyo ba yung... look at your left and your right. Pasabog. 'Di ba? Walang pucho-pucho acting. 'Di ba? Talagang bigay lahat. But Jay, please explain to us the loyalty game. Is this just a make-up kind of game? Did you just use the title? Or is this something that really exists in real life?
Well, what exists are loyalty testers. This is like the brainchild of our...
Loyalty testers. Okay.
Yes. Our creative head, Sir Henry, came up with the idea of why not we tell the story of loyalty testers. If we're not familiar with loyalty testers, they are real social media. It's a social media phenomenon that became popular during the pandemic, noong 2020, wherein women will be hired by other women to test the loyalty of their partners.
Or vice versa, pwede ring lalaki.
Pwede ring lalaki, but very rarely. So, kumbaga, parang babayaran nila yung isang tao to seduce, talk to, flirt, and then eventually to find out if your partner is faithful or not.
Grabe
so that is what
naman.
exists, the loyalty testers. But the loyalty game, which is our show,
right,
anchors on that idea of the loyalty tester.
Have you met a real-life loyalty tester?
We have, our writer, si Yeye, she went into a chat group, talked, si Yeye is there, hello, and our head writer, Maan, they contacted women who are part of this parang
circle. Hustlers.
Of this hustle. And then they tried to parang know, of course, this is all part of the creative development of the show. How they go about it, what are the stories that they encounter, what are the particular dangers that they face in this hustle.
In-interview lang niya or nag-immerse talaga siya?
Nag-immerse talaga.
So naging tester siya?
Hindi naman siya naging tester, but we tried to talk to like certain people, parang baka may mag-text sa'yo or baka may mag-ano sa'yo to, etc. But of course, we don't want to detail that, but we went in depth in the stories of these loyalty testers.
Hearing this sa cast, ngayong naririnig niyong may ganitong loyalty tester, anong reaction niyo? Wala na. Anong reaction niyo na may ganun pala? Loyalty testers. Janine?
Ako nagulat ako na meron talagang mga Facebook group, but at the same time, parang nakadagdag siya sa excitement kasi base siya sa truth yung konsepto ng loyalty tester. So alam mo talaga na madaming makaka-relate at merong need for loyalty testers in some relationship. So mapapaisip ka, bakit kaya? At anong klaseng tao ang magha-hire ng loyalty tester? At the same time, anong klaseng tao din naman ang raraket bilang loyalty tester? So napaka-interesting talaga nung premise nung kwento.
Mina, anong reaction mo noon? Nung narinig mo may gantong klaseng trabaho?
Actually, kanina ko lang nalaman na meron.
Totoo ba?
Kanina ko lang nasabi ko, totoo bang merong loyalty tester? Meron pala talaga, so I didn't know. So, for me, parang natakot ako, parang scary. Kasi nga parang katulad ng sinabi ni Janine, parang sino ba yung, anong klaseng tao ba yung magha-hire ng ganito? Kasi parang it only means for me, para sa akin na parang hindi na napagkakatiwalaan yung partner niya.
May something
For her-
wrong.
Oo tsaka bakit?
Okay.
At katulad ng sinabi rin ni Janine, sino din yung mga testers? 'Di ba? Parang ano ba to? Kasi parang you play with the emotions eh. So parang I find it scary at the same time curious and interesting. Kasi it's a different job.
It is.
'Di ba? Para kang uma-acting na totoo na hindi
Saka
ko
parang
alam.
investigator, parang ganon, di ba?
Right.
Okay, before we roll out the other questions, ano yung mga characters na dito? Pakilala muna tayo yung mga roles ninyo dito sa The Loyalty Game. Kira, what's your role here? What can you share?
Yes po, I play the role of Angel.
Wow, pangalan pa lang, ha?
Yeah, di ba ang bait ng pangalan?
Oo.
So, thank you. Si Angel naman po, she is the youngest loyalty tester. So, she can be very naive, lover girl siya. Innocent, yes. So, with the help of her ates, na ibang loyalty tester, dun siya matututo. She's also a college girl, nag-aaral pa rin siya. Kaya niya napasukan tong loyalty game to have her own side hustle.
Okay.
Yun.
Charlie.
Ako po dito si Regina. Isa po akong babae na hindi ako loyalty tester.
Okay.
Pero konektado ako sa buhay ni Ben. So matagal kaming hindi nagkita at sa pagbabalik ko, may bit-bit akong katotohanan na hindi alam ng lahat.
Wow. Pasabog, ah. Ano yan? Maleta ba yan? Maleta ba yung dala mo? Pasabog daw eh. Micah, what's your role here, please?
Yes, I'm playing Carlota. And ano
Pangalan pa lang, ha?
Yes, Carlota. So ano siya, babaeng pinalad ng ganda at katawan.
Ay.
Pero, hindi nabigyan ng budget. So, sumikap siya from the province para makakita ng konting, bags, shoes, pera. Kaya napasok niya to. Buti na lang meron siyang mga girlfriends. Ayan, sila ate yan. And yun. So, yan.
Interesting. Thank you, Micah. Elise, what's your role here?
I am Bridget. I'm also a loyalty tester here.
Pangalan din kakaiba, Carlota, Bridget.
Yes, alam
di ba?
niyo, mga palaban ng
Alam mong
mga
manglalandi
loyalty
eh. Di ba? Joke lang. Diyan yung tawa mo, ha? Go ahead, Elise.
Pero actually, magugulat kayo kasi hindi lahat ng loyalty tester may taglay na yung parang landi lang.
Explain.
There's a reason behind why we do what we do. Hindi dahil gusto naming seduce. So, yun. Bridget is a loyalty tester. Lumaki siya na other family siya. So, sila lang ng mom niya. And to prove herself na okay ako, I'm worth it, dun sa father niya and sa family yung original family, nagsumikap siya. Kailangan niyang more. Kailangan niyang maging successful. Kailangan niyang makuha yung top. So, ginamit din niya naman ang ganda niya at utak. So, mahilig siyang kumayod. Isa siyang live seller. So, yung hilig niya, ginamit niya for her own good. So, nagla-live selling siya. Doon siya nakahanap ng pagkakakitaan. But, at the same time, it's not enough. Kasi nga gusto niya more. So kaya niya napasok ang, yes, we want more. So kaya niya napasok ang loyalty tester.
Okay. Actually, pagkakatiin mo doon sa We Want More, parang naiintriga na ako bigla eh. Siguro it's something that we would find out sa series. Yen, ikaw, what's your role here?
So I play Diane. I'm one of the loyalty testers. Pero hindi lang yun yung buhay niya. She's also a VA.
Okay, virtual assistant.
Yes. And she has a son with mild autism.
Okay.
Very hardworking. Wala siyang hindi gagawin para makapag-provide para sa anak niya.
Okay. Carmina, ikaw naman, what's your role here?
Kung si Kira yung youngest, I'm the oldest loyalty tester. And then,
Totoo ba? Loyalty tester ka rin?
no.
Okay.
Para lang maiba, kasi parang feeling ko left out ako. Hindi ako loyalty
Uy,
tester.
papasa ka pa rin loyalty tester, ha?
Hindi na lang okay na ako.
Okay ka na
na ako
dyan?
bilang nanay niya.
Okay.
I played the role of Imelda Madrigal. So I played the mom of Anna, which is si Janine.
Grabe yung pangalan. Imelda Madrigal.
Diba? Nakakasosyal.
Diba?
Socialite siya, tapos galing sa isang prominenteng pamilya. She had a perfect life.
Okay.
So may pamilya, may 2 anak, asawa. She had a perfect life.
Okay.
Until one day, iniwan siya ng asawa niya. So she was devastated, heartbroken, nagkaroon ng nervous breakdown. So parang hindi na kinaya yung mga nangyari. Tapos namatay pa yung youngest son niya na nangyayari lahat yun. So hindi na talaga kinaya ng powers niya. Naging loyalty tester na lang siya. joke lang. No, kidding aside. So hindi na kinaya. So nagkaroon siya ng nervous breakdown. Ang very interesting sa character ko dito. Kasi hindi lang siya yung typical mommy ni Anna. Ano siya, I love her character kasi she plays with her hair. So dahil meron siyang nervous breakdown, ang makikita niyo sa character ko, lagi siyang naka-wig. So iba-iba yung hairdo ko dito. May long, may short, may kulot, may blonde, ganyan. Kasi nga, pinag-iinitan ko yung buho ko. So every time nagkakaroon ako ng panic attack, ng anxiety attack, laging hair ko. So it's something new for me. And natutuwa ako sa napaglalaroan ko siya.
Wow, interesting. Grabe. Sofia, ayan, nervous ka na naman.
Okay, I'm Beth. I play the role of Beth. I'm a physical therapist and I'm one of the loyalty testers.
Oh, loyalty tester ka rin.
Yes.
Okay.
Beth. So my friends are Carlota, Bridget, Diane,
Angel.
ayan. So I have 2 siblings, si Harry and Meghan, and I live for them. Wala na kaming parents eh. So I really have to...
You're the breadwinner?
Yes.
Okay.
I really have to make kayod like my friends. Like
Make
how they
kayod.
are.
Love
Yes. As a loyalty tester. So, ayun.
it. Nice. Janine and Jericho, ang role nyo naman dito. We saw Jericho's Ben.
Yes.
Okay.
Ako po si Ana Madrigal Santos, asawa ni Ben. We've been married for 7 years and kung titignan mo sa labas, kami yung parang mukhang perfect couple sa town of Valiente. At mare-reveal sa kwento na everything is not as it seems. Kasi ako ang mag-hire ng loyalty tester para i-test ang loyalty ng asawa ko na si Ben.
Interesting. Ben, please explain your character.
Alam ko na kung ba't ka kinakabahan kasi yung music eh. I'm Beth. I'm Ben. Ben Santos is a lawyer and he is well loved by the town, Valiente. He is also running for CEO sa Azucarera in the provinces of Negros. We've created our own towns in the show, which is great. And of course, the very, very, very loving husband to Anna. So yeah, he's very hardworking. He's a perfectionist, charismatic, and charming sa lahat ng mga tao at tauhan, ganyan. But as you can see sa trailer, Ben, he is double life Ben.
Oh, yung nga naisip ko, parang almost perfect na si Ben eh. Ba't mo pa ipapatest ng loyalty, di ba?
Papatest yung loyalty niya.
I know.
Sisimula kay...
Huwag mo na-spoil. Huwag mo na-spoil, Jericho.
Hawak niya ang Beth.
Hawak niya ang bet. Okay, the first question is from Nika Sabio of Push. Hi, Nika. It's for Janine and Jericho. How is this project different from your previous project together and how much did you enjoy doing this?
Ako na muna. Sige. Somewhat similar but hugely different. So similar to, for me, especially for me, sa Lavender Fields na ginawa namin. So medyo double life guy din siya. But this one naman, aside from protecting something, very, very noble yung gusto niyang mangyari sa buhay niya. So yun yung medyo similarity. But iba yung tono ng show na to. This is darker, this is more intriguing. It's more captivating in terms of themes. And it's just very, very exciting. It's something that sometimes, basically, they have put fear in front of you and made you watch it. So your worst fears in a relationship, yun yung pinaglaruan ng mga writers dito. So we love it because it's the cost of peace. Ayan.
Ayan na, nag-upbeat song. Sumayaw na si Jerry.
Okay na po yung kanina. Yun na yung mood.
Nakabahan ka daw kasi. Kaya
Huwag niyo na pong baguhin yung
disco
ano.
na lang.
Okay na po yung pangbahay ko po itong disco. Okay.
Janine, you wanna add to that?
Yeah.
Yes, actually, super sakto yung sinabi ni Echo. Actually, nung una, medyo worried ako and kunento ko kila Changdes, kay Direk May na medyo worried po ako kasi si Ana at si Iris parehong mga mayaman na asawa ni Tyrone or ni Ben. Pero as in, throughout the weeks of the script, sobrang ibang-iba yung kwento. And I think these are two characters na hindi pa namin nagagawa before. Mas komplikado yung mga layers nilang mag-asawa. Kasi ang nagawa namin before sa Lavender Fields is talagang sinasabi ko yung nararamdaman ko na parang kung di ka mapupunta sa akin, mamatay na lang tayong lahat. Yung very vocal, ganon. Dito, everything is parang underneath the surface. At sa tingin ko, nag-a-apply yun sa lahat ng characters. So, pati kami, nare-reveal sa amin yung mga sagot sa mga tanong as the story progresses. And I hope yun din yung kapitan ng mga kapamilya natin.
Basically, the show is like yung soundtrack nating gabi. Para siyang si Imelda Madrigal na mamaya-maya thriller yung music, tapos biglang magiging disco. Tapos mamaya thriller na naman ulit. Very Imelda Madrigal. Yun yung show namin, yeah.
Interesting. Thank you, Echo and
Thank
Janine. For Carmina, Sophia, and Elise, what made you say yes in joining this project and how different is this from your previous works before? We begin with you, Elise.
Well,
What made you say yes?
Well, the concept is very interesting. When they pitched it, ang sinabi lang, magiging loyalty tester ka. And at that time, I wasn't aware, ano yun? They didn't want to reveal too much. So it makes me more intrigued. Makes me want to be like, syempre, bago yun eh. So it's something I haven't heard of before. It's something I haven't done before. So, nung nag-research ako, nagulat din ako, meron palang ganun sa totoong buhay. And as actors, syempre, we want to do a character that we haven't done before. And we want to live a life na hindi namin buhay sa totoong buhay. So, this is really interesting to play.
How about you, Sophia?
Aside from the story, the casts. Kasi, come on, they're all like magagaling and I want to challenge myself more. And it's with Star Creative, so there's no doubt that it's going to be amazing. Yeah.
Thank you, Sophia. Mina?
There's no reason for me to say no. Well, again, aside from the story itself, I haven't worked with Janine. So first, nung sinabi sa akin na sila yung makakasama ko, parang, okay, so what's my role? So parang malaking factor na, kasi of course, ang daming artiste eh. So gusto ko kahit papano, laging merong bago. So I was given this opportunity and ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakakagawa sa ABS at sa Star Creative. So sakto naman ang ganda ng project na in-offer sa akin. And like I said, there's no reason for me to say no. So that's why I'm here. Yan.
Thank you, Mina.